Meaning of hector.
hector,
Hector.
hector,
Hector. The word hector has multiple meanings depending on the context. In general, it can refer to someone who is a bully or acts domineeringly towards others. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to harass or intimidate someone. Hector was a Trojan prince in Greek mythology, known for his bravery and heroism in battle. The name Hector has therefore come to be associated with strength and courage. Overall, the term hector generally carries negative connotations, describing someone who is aggressive or oppressive towards others.